Yesterday you saw that actually Lancho came out with a very satisfied expression to actually behold his field with, when it was raining. For him the sight was very beautiful, and that is why you know he even compared those raindrops with coins. For him the little raindrops were like 5 cents, and the big raindrops were 10 cents. And then now he is observing, he is beholding his field, which is draped in a curtain of rain, curtain of draped rain. So actually, this is this means to say, student, that his field, his crop fields, look at here, his crop fields are actually covered with rain. That has been, the writer Lancho, in with his protagonist Lancho, in Lancho's words, he tried to say that this actually, surrounded with rain, and this has been actually clothed in rain. That's what he is actually saying. When it's raining heavily, it is like clothed in rain. So but suddenly a strong wind began to blow. Now he was actually enjoying the sight, that beautiful sight he was beholding, and he was, wow, the rain is raining in his field. His whole field is draped with rain, as if it has been draped, it has been covered with cloth. But suddenly what happened, student, look at here, suddenly a strong wind actually started to blow. This covered with cloth actually, the meaning of draped here. His whole field was, covered in rain, as if you are covering your body with cloth. But suddenly what happens, suddenly actually, once again, wait first. This is for draft. But suddenly what happens actually, that a strong wind started to blow. And when this actually happened, once again, wait, where we were reading, yes. But when this actually happened, a large hailstones begin to fall. And student, you can understand, you all can understand what the hailstones are. Hailstones are actually the big, stones that sometime, it rain, it actually pours down on the ground with rain. So these truly did resemble new silver coins. The boys, exposing themselves to rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearls. Actually, Lancho actually denoted the raindrops as silver coins, but now his boys are saying that these hailstones are actually hailstones. The stones that sometimes fall onto the ground in rain, that is actually known as hailstones. And hailstones, it generally comes with thunder and storm. So but his boys is actually telling that these hailstones are actually resemble to silver coins, not that raindrops. Resemble means, student, you all know that, when something look like something, that is actually known as resembling. So the boas are saying that these hailstones are resembling to what? Resembling to silver coins. And the boas actually explained this by exposing themselves into the rain. And they all those boas actually ran to collect the frozen pearls, that stones which has fallen onto the ground. They were like pearls, or they were like frozen pearls. Pearls means, student, you all know, moti. And these were frozen because, in winter season generally, it when it is freezed, these were the frozen pearls. So all the boys actually went to collect there. And we all know that, this is in boys and kids generally do these things. They collect the stones, and frozen stones that fall onto the ground. Then but Lancho is saying that, Lancho, it's really getting bad now. I hoped it passed quickly, but Lancho knew that this hailstorm actually is not good for his field. So he explained that, oh no, it's very bad. We need to pass it quickly, otherwise our crops will be ruined. It did not pass quickly actually. For an hour the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, and the whole valley. Actually, Lancho hoped that hope the hailstone to pass quickly, but actually it did not pass quickly. It actually rained for how many time? It actually hailed for 1 hour. It hailed for actually 1 hour, for 1 hour. And when it held for 1 hour, it actually held everywhere, in the garden, in the hillside, and the cornfield, on the whole valley. Actually hailed for 1 hour. The field was white as if it covered with salt, after the drops of ice for almost hour, and so it was looking like that his field was covered with white salt. Not a leaf remained on the trees. The corn was totally destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plants. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons, a plague of locusts would have left more than this. The hail has left nothing. This year we will have no corn. That night was a sorrowful one. All our work for nothing. There's no one who can help us. We will all go hungry this year. So, student here actually, these are the very touching words. You will have to read it with concentration. Lancho, you have to understand a farmer's feeling, how he feels when something like this happens, that he and his labor of whole year actually has been wasted by the hailstorm. His crops has been completely destroyed. When the hailstorm stopped after an hour, Alencho is fully filled with sadness, and in sadness he actually said these things to his sons. How many sons he had, it has not been mentioned in the story, but he said that these, if there would have been the plague, plague is the disease, you all know that, and it's a very viral disease. It actually communicates very fast from one person to another person. So he's saying that if there would have been plague of locusts, even then also we would have left with something, but this hail storm has not left us anywhere. We are now in no position. We are completely in a hell of a situation. We will die this year of hunger. We will have nothing to eat now because his whole crops have been damaged in the actually in what, in hailstorm. So student, with this the first part of the story has come to an end. There are some oral questions that you have to ponder upon while reading, and then we will read further ahead in this story.